Hi, so today time check 1 p.m. This is the part 2 of second birthday of JM. So may nagbigay sa kanya ng cake ang kanyang pinsan na si paring Jaden. So actually yung handa lang talaga namin sa kanya is tinapay, and juice. So, bonus na lang ang cake. Thank you so much for giving cake for baby JM. Thank you! At ayun na nga, ayaw nang bitawan ng cake kasi nakita niya yung mga little chocolates top of the cake at gusto niyang kinakain yun. So, okay, hayaan natin siyang mag-play sa kanyang cake. It's your day, it's your birthday, enjoy your day! Happy birthday to you. Diyan mo? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, blow na your candle, blow. Go. 1, 2, 3, blow.
Blow, blow, babe, blow, babe. Blow the candle, babe.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, blow.
Blow, blow, blow.
So, dito,
1,
pinapatry ko
2,
siya
3,
ulit
blow.
mag-blow ng cake for the second time around for his
1, 2,
new
3, blow.
cake. Sponsored cake.
Blow the candle.
1, 2, 3, blow. Ganun yun, ganun din.
Sobrang
ilapit mo sa
ng
bibig.
blow niya.
1, 2, 3,
Nakakapatay
blow.
ng apoy. Pero
1,
he
2, 3,
knows
blow.
how to blow.
Ayun.
Sobrang lang hina.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, blow. 1, 2, 3, blow. Sige na, blow mo ito. Ganun. Sige, 1, 2, 3, blow. Blow. Blow.
Sarang pulis ang
1, 2, ganun no? Ganon. Blow, mama.
Ulit.
One more ha, one more. Maubos na yung kandila natin, Javin Marcos.
Blow, blow. Blow.
Sige, blow. 1, 2, 3, blow.
Sige, blow na. Blow na dyan, blow na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, blow.
Okay,
Mahina.
okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Lakasan mo, lakas. Faster, faster. Faster. 1, 2, 3, blow.
Di pa.
Sige, one more. 1, 2, 3, blow. Blow.
Lakasan mo, babe.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, blow. Ganun no?
Lakasan mo.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, blow. Naamoy siya sa fire oil, naamoy siya sa apoy. Sige, 1, 2, 3, blow.
Tingting na diya, mak. Ulatin na lagtrusan mo.
Dali na, kaya nagtunaw na yung ano mo. 1, 2, 3, blow.
Ayun, sunog siya.
Blow na. Blow, 1, 2, 3. Hindi, grabe, kaya natunaw na yung candle. Wait lang.
Kamu na dali. Isi-isi na.
Ha? O, kamera.
Di mak-mak rin yung gigabisihan din.
Sobrang epic failed. Ayaw niyang ma-blow. Sobrang
Dito
hina
na lang,
ng blow
Ano
niya.
kasi yung ano siya, yung ano yung...
So, ako na lang nag-blow and then
kandila sa ano.
during that time,
Wala
nag-video
na!
call yung mga parents ko,
Wala na.
kapatid ko.
Iya, kuha ka ng cake niya.
Birthday.
So, dito hinayaan ko na lang siyang i-play yung cake niya. Kinukuha na yung mga little chocolates around the
Ito na
cake.
lang.
So, go play with your cake. It's your cake. Enjoy your day.
Yan. Ah!
family
Hello.
from province. Nag-video call sa kanya. Greeting.
Messi!
So, ito lang talaga yung handa niya, bread.
Hawak mo. Ay, sayang ako na hawak mo ang meat dito. Wait lang. Wait lang. Kailangan. Kinain na niya yung cake niya. Wala pa siya nag-blow. Magsaya pag ani ko yung ano. Bago ko man siya ni Mata. Dito ba? Dito ko dito lang.
Yeah, huwag mo na eh. Ano? Sabi ko, mahulog din.
Paano nga pala, ano nun? Help mo ang meat, help mo ang meat. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung lyrics. Gusto ko malayo.
Ah.
Help mo ang meat, help mo ang meat. Kasama si Jayan? Kasama si Jayan? Okay na yan.
So, dito sinapatusan ko na siya kasi pupunta daw yung mami lang niya and mag-bring daw ng pancit for him as a gift. So, let's dress Jayan.
Okay.
Wait lang, wait. Dito ka. Tayo, kay dance. Dito ka. Ayla. Dito ka.
So ka na dun.
Hindi ko siya pinapansin dito kasi pinapalipat niya yung TV. Eh, gusto ko mag-zumba dance na hawak ang gift.
Ayaw, okay na. Happy birthday. Sinayaman kita dito. Gusto mo lang sumaya. Yeah, it's your birthday today.
We're so glad that you are here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday
Sa mukha, nakikita.
to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yes, kasi ng cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Ay, kiss na.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Sing along so joyful. Wow, bubble. It's your special. Wow, bubble.
Bubbles? Opo.
Balloon. Happy birthday. Balloon, kami balloon.
Yes, very good.
To you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candles, make a wish. Cake and laughter, tasty dishes. Friends and family, sing with cheer. We're so glad that you are here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Happy birthday.
Halika, Bebe. Tig ka pa dito. Bebe. Mga ilang oras din, dumating yung mami lang na nagdala ng pansin. Hindi lang ako nakapag-video, pero traditional siyang handa, which is pansit. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday.
At saka ito yung na-receive niyang gift from Mami Lenya. Sando. Perfect for this summer. Thank you so much.
Bye, Tito! Bye-bye, Tito! Thank you! Happy birthday,
Time check,
Jemen!
it's almost
Bye na,
6
Tito!
PM, and Tito Longlong uwi na sa Quezon City. Natin na siya sa birthday.
Uwi na si Tito. Nagbabay ka na? Uwi na kayo, Tito? Atid na namin si Tito. Uwi na siya sa Quezon City. Tambay mood muna dito sa labas ng highway kasi ayaw pang matulog ni